Koya Tofu Stew. Here are the ingredients for 2 servings. In a pan, place the tofu and pour in hot water. Koya tofu, about 50 grams. Leave for 10 minutes. Once it is soft, push out the water. Pour water in a bowl. Wedge the tofu inside the bowl and squeeze out water at the end. Cut in bite size. Carrots, 1/2. Peel the carrots and cut in 1.5 centimeters with half moon shape. Five snow peas. Remove the fiber off of the snow peas and cut diagonally. Quickly boil in solid water. Cool in water, then drain. In a pot, add egg, tofu, and carrots. Heat on medium heat. Broth 300 to 350 milliliters. Light soy sauce 4 teaspoons. Sake 2.5 tablespoons. Mirin 4 teaspoons. Sugar 1 tablespoon. Once it starts boiling, simmer for 15 minutes. Serve on a plate and top with snow peas. Pour on the soup. Enjoy. Koya Tofu Stew. Again, here are the ingredients for 2 servings.